This is a walkthrough of the journal page, where your full trading history lives, and where the AI breaks down what's working across your setups, your weeks, and your period. The header shows the scope you're working with, 336 trades across 15 weeks. The filters in the top right let you change the view. Last 30 days, 90 days, year to date. All time or a custom range. Every section below updates when you change the filter. This paragraph is the AI's read on your period. It's not a stats summary. It identifies what's driving the account and what's dragging it, and the AI tells you to understand what produced it and replicate it. This is written from your actual trade data, not a template. Net P&L for the period, profit factor, and win rate. The strong period and edge-confirmed labels are calculated from the profit factor, not cosmetic. On the right, a snapshot of the key numbers for the period. Below the P&L, the period takeaway, one sentence from the AI. One edge is carrying this account. Protect LVP, cut the drag. That's 336 trades and 15 weeks reduced to one specific action. The equity arc shows cumulative P&L as a line across the period. Peaks and valleys are annotated automatically. Here, you can see the 3-loss streak in March. Click any point on the line to drill into the trades from that day. Setup performance breaks your results down by setup. Each card shows trades taken, win rate, net P&L, and profit factor for one setup. This section tells you which setups have a confirmed edge and which ones need better defined conditions. Each setup card is clickable. When you click View Chart, a panel opens showing the full breakdown for that setup, a cumulative P&L chart, trade count as a percentage of your total journal activity, win rate compared to your overall average, profit factor, and average win against average loss. The AI labels the setup at the top. This one says, break even in disguise. One filter away from a real edge. 70 trades at 54% win rate, but profit factor 3.69 means after costs, you're essentially trading this setup for free. The chart shows the curve is climbing, but the AI is telling you it needs a filter before it becomes a real edge rather than a break-even one. Hit View and Trade Stream to see every trade from this setup filtered in the table below. Month at a glance shows every trading day as a calendar tile. Green for profitable, red for a losing day, with trade count and P&L on each tile. The weekly roll-up on the right summarizes each week. Click any day to filter the trade stream to just that day's trades. Below the calendar, the weekly summary written by the AI for that specific week. This week, Monday's discipline paid off. Tuesday's silence cost you. Then 3 observations. Which setup dominated, what dragged, and what needs clarification in tomorrow's notes. This is not generic. It reads what you tagged, what you wrote, and how you traded that week. The trade stream is every trade in one place. Auto-captured from the copier, imported from CSV, or added manually. Filter by setup, side, exit type, result, or source. The dots on each row show the source. Blue for copier, purple for manual entry, yellow for CSV import. All 3 count equally in every analysis section above. Every trade the copier captures comes in untagged. To get anything meaningful out of the setup performance section, you need to tag each trade with the setup you used. Click any trade in the stream to open the detail panel. You'll see the full trade breakdown. Instrument, side, quantity, entry, and exit. Hold time, P&L. At the bottom is the setup field. Open the drop-down and you'll see every setup you've created, plus untagged. Select the one that applies and hit Save. If you are adding a new setup for the first time, the platform prompts you to build a checklist for it. These are the conditions that need to be true before you take this setup. Your own rules written by you. Add as many items as you need. Once saved, That checklist appears every time you tag a trade with that setup. It's a way of confirming that the trade you're tagging actually matched the setup's conditions, not just labeling it after the fact because it worked. The AI's setup analysis is only as accurate as the tags. Untagged trades show up as drag. The more consistently you tag, the more specific the feedback gets. To log a trade manually, click Add a Trade. Fill in the date, time, instrument, side, quantity, entry and exit price, account, setup tag, and notes. P&L calculates automatically from the prices. It counts in every section of the journal, the same as a copied trade. For bulk imports from a spreadsheet, 3 steps. Download the CSV template. Fill in your trades one row at a time, then upload and preview before committing. Up to 10,000 rows per import. At the bottom, this week's focus is a one-line directive from the AI based on current data. Right now, no stand-down setups this period. Keep doing what works. Below it, Ask AI Coach, the elite feature. Ask a direct question about your trading, answered from your actual data. That's the journal.